Dreaming of Bali but staying on budget? For as low as 1,499, you can experience this cozy Bali-inspired cabin here in Balay Manawari located at Dagatan, Amadeo, Cavite. Upon entering, makikita nyo yung parking space. Then, let me tour you sa aming cabin. So, every cabin has their own lounge pool, which you can enjoy if you want to relax in private. Here's our comfort room with hot shower, super linis, provided na rin nila yung toiletries if ever man na makalimutan nyo. Pero dapat wag nyo kalimutan kasi personal hygiene pa rin yan. For the kitchen, hindi ka na ma-hassle magdala kasi provided na nila lahat. Meron na ding mini cooler if ever man na may dala kang frozen. So, akyat naman tayo, then let's have a room tour. So, dito hindi mo na kailangan magdala ng towel kasi provided na rin nila. So, less bit-bit. Which is common naman siya talaga sa mga staycation. Then, meron na ring aircon, merong electric fan na hindi naman namin nagamit kasi guys, super lamig ng weather. As in, kahit summer na, ang lamig pa din. Ito naman yung view namin sa labas guys. Kaya kung nature lover ka, for sure, ma-enjoy mo to ng bonggang-bongga kasi ang sarap-sarap ng hangin. For the balcony of our room, ito naman siya. Pwedeng-pwede kayong tumambay dito if bet nyo. So, for night mode, ito naman yung itsura niya. Aesthetic, aminin. Lakas makabali, right? Huwag nyo na lang din palang kalimutan na magdala ng insect repellent. So for our dinner, ito yung niluto ko. Then after nyan, kumain na rin kami kasi ang hirap mag-relax, be, pag gutom. Charot. After kumain, tumambay muna kami dito sa taas. Then naligo kami sa pool. Then we took some pictures kasi naman super IG worthy niya. For morning, nagluto lang ako ng breakfast namin. Dito na rin namin kinain sa taas kasi napakasarap ng hangin. Ang sarap-sarap niya sa balat, lalo na umaga. So if you have more questions, you can message their FB page, Balay Manawari. So yun lang guys, bye!